Hello, welcome back to my channel. So recently I found out one of the headlight bulb was burnt. So in this video I'm going to replace the light bulb, the low beam light. So the size is a H7. So let's go, it's very easy. So the H7 light is behind this round cover. So for the left side, it's a little bit tricky because there's a fuse box there. So we have a bit limited space to access, but still we can replace the bulb, so don't worry. Let me show you. So let's start from the right side first. We have a bit more space to do. Let's twist the cover. Okay. The cover is a little bit tight, so just need to try a few times. Then we can see the socket here. So we need to twist the socket to remove the bulb. Twist to right side. Okay. So we can see the bulb. Use a flathead screwdriver. Right. Okay. Fly off. Okay. I don't think it's well. I don't think we still can use. This one is a good one. Anyway, so let's take out the new one. Be careful we don't use the finger to touch the glass. Don't use your finger because our finger has oil. So use the tissue to hold the bulb. And we need to put the bulb back to the socket. So let's try this way, I think. Put the socket back. And put the rubber cover back. Okay. So this is the left passenger side. Let's try to open the cover first. Oh, this one will be easy. So let me just remove the fuel box cover so we have better view of the inside. Side here. So same way we twist the socket to right side. Then we can remove the old light bulb. Okay. Okay, let us remove the old light bulb. Okay, we still use the screwdriver. Pull a bit. Okay. So this is a new one. So be careful, we use a new tissue. Use a new tissue, we wrap it. And we put it back. So we go back to the socket. So there's a 2 pin, okay? And you can see the hole. Okay. Then we put it back. Okay. Then we twist to the left side. So Sam, we need to twist the cover while we push in. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we twist it. Shake a bit, so solid. Okay. So let us test the light. Okay, so we have the light.
Kita penyok.
So that's how you replace the light bulb. Thanks for watching. Bye.